Welcome to the International Linguist Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is lesson 24 of the Learn French vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vocabulary related to gardens and gardening. Reaching this point means you're truly dedicated. You're doing a fantastic job. Stay focused and keep going. Let's start off with today's vocabulary. Flower,
La fleur,
tree,
l'arbre,
grass,
l'herbe,
garden,
le jardin,
plant,
la plante,
seed,
la graine,
soil,
le sol,
watering can,
l'arrosoir,
bush,
le buisson,
leaf,
la feuille,
pot,
le pot,
Sunday,
le soleil,
rain,
la pluie,
root,
la racine,
fruit.
le fruit.
That is the easy set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the medium difficulty set.
Pruning shears, les sécateurs,
Fertilizer,
l'engrais,
greenhouse,
la serre,
compost,
le compost,
shovel,
la pelle,
hedge,
la haie,
lawn,
la pelouse,
wheelbarrow,
la brouette,
flower bed,
le parterre de fleurs,
vegetable patch,
le potager,
garden hose,
le tuyau d'arrosage,
pesticide,
le pesticide,
trellis,
le treillis,
gardener,
la jardinière,
lawnmower.
la tondeuse à gazon.
That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the sentences.
La fleur est belle,
The flower is beautiful.
la fleur est belle,
The flower is beautiful.
l'arbre est grand,
The tree is tall.
l'arbre est grand,
The tree is tall.
le jardin est magnifique,
The garden is beautiful.
le jardin est magnifique,
The garden is beautiful.
je remplis l'arrosoir,
I fill the watering can.
je remplis l'arrosoir,
I fill the watering can.
la plante pousse vite,
The plant grows fast.
la plante pousse vite,
The plant grows fast.
les sécateurs sont sur la table,
The pruning shears are on the table.
les sécateurs sont sur la table,
The pruning shears are on the table.
la serre est chaude,
The greenhouse is warm.
la serre est chaude,
The greenhouse is warm.
il faut utiliser de l'engrais,
We need to use fertilizer.
il faut utiliser de l'engrais,
We need to use fertilizer.
le jardinier travaille dans le potager,
The gardener is working in the vegetable patch.
le jardinier travaille dans le potager,
The gardener is working in the vegetable patch.
la tondeuse à gazon est dans le garage,
The lawnmower is in the garage.
la tondeuse à gazon est dans le garage.
The lawnmower is in the garage. And with that, we conclude this video. Good job on completing this lesson. Excellent work and congratulations. We will meet again in the next video.